So today's video I've also come up with a new application. So this is a screen recording application. You just recording the screen, what is taking place on your mobile screen. So that is what we call screen recording. So yeah, so different phones zigiramu system already munda, but at times you might record the was terija. Yes, so wherever it might be down really once. So bobanga tonagiraba, you can press the power button and the volume up button, then your phone will start recording. So what now you can use a third-party application. It is called XRecorder. So it is here. It is called XRecorder. You can get it from, you can download it from anywhere. Apple Store, Google Play Store, all different APK file formats. So this is how it looks like. So after opening it, so this is how it looks like. These are the videos that I have so far recorded today. So there are very many. So this is the layout. We can use it to edit different videos. We can use it even to edit photos. You can use it to compress videos, but compressing a video meaning that for reducing a digital working. So, but this is a pro version. You need to pay for it. So you can use it to transfer. Yes, you can transfer. We can use it to edit. You can edit something via here. So you can edit, for example, this one. Then you tap. Then you start editing. So that's how you add in some music. You add in some things. Get. So it is called XRecorder. Yes. So whatever you can get it from Apple Store or Google Play Store. It is called XRecorder. Different YouTubers are using it because it is the best. It is the best, and we use it. Yes, please. If you have found that the video is interesting, you can hit the subscription button. Please like our videos, share, and see you in the next video. But I recommend you to use this XRecorder, especially the YouTubers and the gamers. Yes, you can use it. You can screen record something as you are playing a game, or as you are doing something, as you are teaching about something. Yes, it's called XRecorder.